Ladies and gentlemen, today is an exciting day. I was waiting for this day for a very long time. Today I have got Logitech MX Master 2S mouse, wireless mouse. I've been looking forward to this mouse. I heard many things about this mouse, that this mouse is the best mouse out there. I thought, why not? I'm currently using G502 and that has particularly a similar type of features with it. This has the portability factor in that is the wired mouse I have. I will be putting down a review for that as well. Anyways, we're going to see what the features describing on this. First of all, cross computer control. Then we have dark field high precision tracking, fast charging battery, unique scrolling experience, comfortable shape. That I will decide if it's comfortable or not, ergonomically or not. We open the box over here. There are a couple of features over here: button and keys customization, application specific settings, gesture buttons, notification and statuses. There are 3 lights around here which are going to show us that. Little knife layer. I bought this mouse for about $100. That's about 12,000 rupees right now in Pakistan. Well, put this over here, and this is the mouse. Straight on, I can say that it feels really nice because it's a premium mouse, obviously, and a premium mouse does feel nice. So ergonomically, it's also good. Then we have a dongle, wireless dongle in the box. Otherwise, you can also connect this with Bluetooth in your laptop, and if you want to connect it with wireless, you can connect it with this dongle. Moving on, we also have micro USB cable. It should have been USB-C, but it's micro in this day and age. What can I say? Anyways, boxes aside, knives aside, we are going to boot it up. Over here it says easy switch, connects in 0.03 seconds. The main feature of this mouse, which I was basically impressed, was that it can go and work simultaneously with 2 or 3 computers. It has a software which does that. You have to be connected to same wireless network with all the devices, then you can work across the same devices simultaneously. You can even copy files, pictures, text and whatnot. I don't know, but I'm gonna test that. Straight on seeing, we have 1, 2, 3 scroll. If you get that sound, quite crispy and satisfying. And now, oh, this is automatic thing. The older mouse I was using, it has to be clicked and it just releases the wheel, but this is something which is automatic inside. You can hear it when you click it. Well, I think there is an inbuilt feature in this. When you scroll it too fast, this will basically release it and you will have the free scroll feature. But this button, when you press this one, you have the free scrolling from the beginning till the end, and if you press it again, you will get normal scrolling. Thumb rest is also a gesture based button. Then you have a side scroll. This side scroll is also very useful. I think it will be useful to those people who are basically doing post-production work or doing graphic designing. Plus, this mouse apparently can stay up to 70 days on one charge, and that's what I've heard. I'm going to check that as well. There are 3 lights over here, and you can basically judge by those lights how much battery is left in your mouse. One of the features of this mouse is that it can go up to 4000 dpi on glass surfaces. I don't have a glass surface over here, but I think I've used, and most of the mice don't work on the glass. Well, I think this mouse right now, the first impressions are it's great. I'm just going to connect it to my laptop and see how it responds, because I'm also playing games and I want to see if there is latency in it. I have connected the mouse with the Bluetooth and it shows me over here that it has 50% battery out of the box. I feel a bit of latency coming from G502, but I think it shouldn't be. Like, it is. This is not the best mouse. I don't think this is the best mouse. I would have to use it before I can say anything about it, if it's the best mouse or not. And I have all sort of areas where I want to use it in, and then I can come back and tell if this mouse is better than what I had before. Well, I will be reviewing more products in the future, so stay tuned and subscribe. See you in the next video. This mouse is a good mouse.